What is going on, folks? Ontarian Hawkins here. I'm the passive income guru. Happy Friday to you guys. Today, briefly, I want to show you a few trades that I'm in right now and kind of show you why I'm in them. Been every day this week, especially, I've been really studying these Forex trading charts. I've been on a mission here, so to speak, to master this skill. Okay. One of the things that Forex will teach you, it will teach you a lot about yourself. Okay. It will let you know if you're patient. It would also let you know if you're greedy. It will also let you know, how long are you willing to stay the course. So I've learned a lot this week about myself when it comes to trading. And a lot of times you got to take a step back and say, you know what? You have to take your time. You have to let the market come to you, and you have to be logical. The market pretty much paints the same picture every single time. OK, you just have to wait for it and understand what you're looking at. So let me show you just a couple of trades that I'm in right now. OK, now let me just say this. I am on my way to become a master trader. I actually believe I'm a master trader. Okay. Especially going into the year 2020. Okay. Trading, guys. The title of this video is College or Trading. I wish I would have ran into this skill or ran into this opportunity before I started college. I would not have touched college if Forex showed up at my door. Okay. And many of you, a lot of you who are going to look at this video, you're probably in college. You're probably contemplating college. Now, nothing against college. Let me just get that straight. I have nothing against college. We have a daughter that is in college right now. Let me just put it this way. Make sure if you go to college, that you're going to pursue a passion. Make sure what you're majoring in is going to be a passion. If not, that passion can become just mundane, and you can really burn yourself out. Okay. So make sure, again, if you go to college, make sure you go for your passion. That way, when you get out into the workforce, your passion is not really a job. It's a hobby that you're getting paid for. Okay, just want to make that clear. Again, a lot of you, like myself, went to college. You may have some regrets. Oh, I shouldn't have went to college. If I would have known what I know now, I wouldn't have went to college. But this all learning experiences. It's okay. Things happen for a reason. Timing is everything. Forex, guys, is something. You look at these charts and it looks like a foreign language, but there are certain basics that if you learn it, which we teach you, this becomes a story. It becomes something that you get excited about. Okay, when you actually know what you're looking at. So let me just kind of give you what I'm looking at here. I'm actually in this trade. Excuse me. This is GBP odd. Okay. We are on the daily chart. I don't know if you can see that. We are on the daily chart. There it is right there. And the reason I like to, do my analysis on a daily chart is because the daily chart does not lie. The daily chart paints the entire picture. It doesn't lie. Okay. Now you go down to the other time frames, like the 30-minute, 15-minute. It may trick you up. Okay, if you're just basing your analysis on a lower time frame. Okay, to get the whole picture, you need to go on a higher time frame like the daily. Okay, so for example, here you see what I've done. Okay, let me just kind of put this right here. Okay, you see up here I drew this trend line. Okay, you see this? Boom, goes all the way over here. Okay, so you got price came up. Now, this is the basic stuff. I'm a basic trader. I keep it as simple as possible. And there's many, everyone will have their own strategy, but if you just know the basics, you can do fairly well in the markets. Okay. So look, this is logical stuff. Price is right here, comes up, hits this point, comes back down. Okay. Price comes back up, hits this point again, comes back down. There's the same thing right here, comes all the way down. Now it's another trend, uptrend right here. And you see it's a level, this is right here is called level of support. Up here is called a level of resistance. Now, let me just put it in layman terms. A lot of people like to think of this as the ceiling, and other people, and then this can be the floor. Now, many times the floor can be right here. This is a floor. This is a ceiling. So price is hitting the ceiling. It can't get through, right? Can't get through. Boom, hits it again. Now it wants to come up to that area again. I know that price respects this area. Okay. I know it respects this area. Now look, it's coming up. Price is coming up. But I want you to look at something. This is what's called an RSI right here, the relative strength. Okay. You see how price is coming up? We have something right here. You see how I drew this trend line right here? Okay. This is what's called divergence. Okay. This is called divergence. So basically, the market is looking like it's going up, which it is. But in essence, is eventually going to come down because of divergence. Okay, all right. Now that's another technique that you can learn inside of our academy, inside of our training. We actually learned that this week. A lot of people learned this week. I wasn't too sure about divergence, but now I am. I said, okay, wow, I see it now. And when you have divergence like that, that is a beautiful thing, because we know that the market, as it's doing right here, coming up, respecting that zone, we know it's eventually going to come down. Now, this is the daily chart, so we get more pips on the higher time frames. So what it can do, you see this trend line right here, okay? What it can do is can come down right here. It can respect this zone right here, this trend line, and bounce back up, okay? Or it can come down, break this trend line, retouch, and come down. And I would like for it to break this eventually. Now, this is on the daily, okay? So the overall picture is going to be on the daily chart, okay? Let me show you another pair that I'm in. I like the GBP pairs. I also like Euro JPY, okay? All right, I'm also in Euro JPY. This is the daily chart. Let me kind of expand this. Now, I'm in this on the buy right now. I'm in this on the buy. Why did I buy it? Okay, check this out. So we're on the daily. You see, I drew a little wedge right here that depicted the market going down. Look what happened. Shot up out of there. Boom. Buyer. Okay. The buyer's market shot up. This is a engulfing candle. Okay, you see that engulfing candle? I said, wow. On the daily, that did that. Okay, I'm in there. Okay, if you go to the 4-hour chart, you see prices broke out of there, retested, and now it's coming up. I think and I'm looking forward to continue up to this particular resistance zone right here. Okay. Because it broke up above this moving average, which is very strong moving average. It closed above the moving average, and I'm looking forward to continue up to this zone right here. I'm going to show you how it looks on my other screen here. Right here, do this. So we have right here, you see this is Euro JPY. It broke out of the zone right here, okay? And I'm looking for it to continue up to this resistance right here, because price likes to go into the area of resistance that it once was, okay? And that's what I'm looking to do, okay? So we're in profit right now. That's a blessing, okay? And every single day I'm starting to see the market do what I wanted to do. Once I draw my, a couple of support and resistance zones, once I draw some trend lines and I look for divergence, it becomes a beautiful thing. I look for, obvious things like this, how market was trending down on the daily, and then it boom, just shot up. Okay. That was a signal for me to buy it right there. Okay. And I'm looking for price to come here, probably respect this zone to come down, or better yet, break this and continue up. So we'll see. We'll see. Okay. So guys, thank you for watching. Ontarian here once again, the passive income guru. If you guys want to learn this skill, we can definitely teach you. We have an academy, and we also have a team that is dedicated to training you to make sure that you know exactly how to do this and how to be successful with it. Okay. This is something you're not going to get rich overnight. Okay. But you got to have patience. You got to have diligence. You got to practice money management, risk management for you to be successful here. Okay. If you want more information, go to tradewithontarian.com. That is tradewithontarian.com. And it'll take you to our information. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy your weekend. God bless. Talk to you soon.